Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of coolest products from Amazon sites. All links to the products in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go!
Turn up the productivity, not the heat of your laptop. Heavy usage and poor ventilation of your laptop can cause your device to overheat. Keep it cool with the Targa's 17-inch dual fan chill mat. With two fans to disperse heat, a ventilated mesh surface for the laptop to rest on, and an ergonomic wedge-like design to keep the air properly circulating, this cooling pad is the perfect accessory to keep your laptop running smoothly. Sporting a soft neoprene bottom to rest comfortably on your lap, it's powered by a hideaway USB cable that connects to your device. It even has rubberized feet on the top grille to prevent the laptop from slipping. This offers both comfort and convenience for daily use. Keep it cool with the Targa's 17-inch dual fan.
Klim Cyclone is the perfect solution in order to prevent your laptop from overheating. This fan-fitted support raises your computer and dissipates the heat thanks to its powerful yet quiet fans. Klim Cyclone is so quiet, it is hard to imagine it's the most powerful cooler available on the market. But it really is. Featuring 5 fans, 4 of which rotate at 2,200 revolutions per minute. Klim Cyclone is able to cool your laptop down in less than a minute in order to drop back to a normal temperature. Thanks to its 5 fans, it ensures perfect cooling of all the areas of your laptop. Next generation gaming laptops usually feature 17 inches screens. Klim Cyclone is designed for those powerful and massive computers, while smaller fans cannot handle them. From 11 to 19 inches, your laptop will be perfectly stable on top of the Cyclone. Klim Cyclone is a must-have. It lengthens the lifespan of your PC to the maximum and supercharges its performance. It's a good investment for an affordable price. Klim Cyclone probably offers the best value for money amongst all coolers. Our engineers designed it as a high-end product, fitted with the best existing materials and a pure gaming look. It is truly built to last. We offer you a 5 years warranty, a token of the trust we have in our products. It's literally a risk-free purchase. Blue or red, pick your color and purchase a Klim Cyclone through the link to our Amazon shop, contained in the description.
Contains 256 color RGB LEDs which utilize 5 lighting schemes: wave, RGB spectrum, pulse, blink, and fully lighted. In fully lighted mode, you have 4 color options: red, blue, white, and green. The built-in 200mm fan has a variable speed controller to set your cooling preference, while the cooler's unique design and large metal mesh provide optimal airflow for notebooks up to 19 inches. The Massive 20 RGB features 3 height settings: 3, 9, and 13 degrees, giving you the best viewing and typing angles. Adjusting the cooler's height also provides additional airflow towards your notebook. Provided is a dual USB Type-A to barrel power cable, which connects to your notebook's USB port.
Cooler acts as a super fan. It extracts the hot air out of your laptop faster than the internal fan can. This creates a fast and efficient cooling. Klim Cool Plus is the updated version of Klim Cool and the most powerful cooler on the market. It is a product specifically designed for laptops with the strongest overheating issues. Klim Cool Plus has the fastest fan with a maximum rotation speed of 4,500 RPM. It is very easy to use. Just turn the buttons and look at your speed on the screen. Its metal structure acts as a heat sink, maximizing its effectiveness. This is an innovation, therefore compatibility can be a concern. It is compatible with any laptop with a side or back air exhaust. 4 sleeves are included to fit the air exhaust as best as possible. It will fit every laptop. the size has no importance. Even if the fit is not perfect, thanks to the suction effect, the Cool Plus will remain effective. Even if the model is bigger than the first Klim-Cool, it remains very easy to carry, weighing only 225 grams and fitting in your pocket. Over the long term, Klim-Cool Plus maximizes the life expectancy of your PC, and in the short term, it boosts its performances. This is a real investment for an affordable price. If you want to obtain maximum cooling while you play or work, you won't find anything better than the Klim-Cool. Its structure in metal sets it apart from the rest of the market and makes it extremely resilient. The Klim-Cool Plus is equipped with a top-of-the-line Japanese motor in order to give it an exceptional lifespan. It is built to last. We offer a 5-year warranty, proving our confidence in our product. It's a no-risk purchase. Don't wait anymore and purchase the Klim-Cool Plus with the links to our Amazon store in the video's description. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.